Hello friends, welcome to tueslearns.com. This is Virender and welcome to CSS course. In this course and in this particular video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use CSS. And so let's get started. Go to Dreamweaver and go to HTML file first. And when you create an HTML file, then you need to know that there are three types you can implement a CSS file in your HTML body. So the first method is somewhat called inline method, in which you provide styles to your HTML or XHTML body content in the same line. And the second method is the internal, in which the CSS styling is on the same page of your HTML web page. And the third one is the external. And external is one of the most popular and widely used method, in which we provide and use a different page for CSS and then link our HTML pages to the CSS file, or link the CSS pages to the HTML file. That's it. So out of these three methods, today we are going to learn how to use the inline method. And before we go and work on it, let's first save it. And I would like to create a new folder, and you guys do the same. It would be better to work along with for a long time. So go to desktop, and there you see an option to create a new folder. So create a new folder, name it CSS, and open it and save the first file as inline. Okay, and save it. Now uh, let's write something in this. Write some basic HTML coding. So let's write CSS. Okay, sorry. Let's write, if you know the span tag, and write cascading slash span style slash span, and then span, and then sheets. And one good thing about Dreamweaver is that whenever you do start a tag, it closes it automatically. For example, by clicking this, it closes it's automatically. Just you have to click the slash. Okay, so the span tag, basically what it does is it combines the text in just one line, and it doesn't give the result in different lines. So the cascading style sheets will be printed all in the same line. So if you save it, so go into file and save, or you can press Ctrl S, and then you can either go into this and click to preview in the Chrome or preview in the Internet Explorer, or you can hit the shortcut button. That's I'm gonna hit the F12. So let me zoom it a bit so that you can see it clearly. Okay, so this is the cascading style sheet, as you can see, and there's not much difference in cascading style sheets. In It's just look like a normal HTML file. So now let's apply styling over it. So for styling, let's type style equals color, and let me color it red. And for the other one, say style equals color green. And the third one, say style equals color blue. And it's very important that you terminate whatever you start. You can terminate by using semicolon, by using this symbol. And so what it basically does is it styles our text. It colors it red, this will be colored green, and this will be colored blue. And that's how we apply CSS inline. So save it, Control S, and run it, hit F12, and you can see cascading style sheets. And that's how we style our basic uh, web document. So that's just let's apply one more styling for this tutorial. This is gonna be /p. Okay, so CSS is all about designing and making your websites pretty awesome. So if you save this and hit F12 again, so this one is the style text and this one is just a simple HTML file, or you can say HTML text or XHTML text. Um, so let's style it. Style equals color equals orange or orange. Okay, and either you can apply this, or if you want to give it one more style, or if you want to give more than one style to a single text or whatever the content is, it could be an image, it could be a video. So in that case you have to apply it on the same line. For example, let increase the font size of it, font size to be 25 pixels, save it. So Control S and hit F12. So now you see the size of this text has been increased, also the color has been changed, and that's how we apply CSS inline. In the next video we are going to learn how to apply CSS to any HTML or XHTML document um, with the internal method. So thank you and have a nice day. That's it for the tutorial. Meet you in the next tutorial.